Hello traders, hope you are all doing great. Before going into the market, we'll see about Sensibull. Since I'm associated with Sensibull has come out with a very interesting thing which is called verified by Sensibull. Of course, if you are active in Twitter, you must be knowing various people are updating verified profit and loss by Sensibull, right? So this is the talk of the town. I wouldn't say it is the talk of the town, but it is trending in Twitter. So many traders are posting their screenshot, verified by Sensibull screenshot in Twitter. And there are many things about this. There are, let's say for example, people who don't trade in Zerodha, or people who trade in system with brokers which is not integrated with Sensibull. What is going to be the solution for them? Like me, I don't have Zerodha account. In fact, I had Zerodha account. One of my first broker was Zerodha, but there are lots of problems when it comes to Zerodha. I couldn't buy OTMs. There are some restrictions, so I kind of avoid Zerodha. So this is the problem with Zerodha. You cannot buy OTMs in Zerodha trading account because of wire restrictions. So we have moved to some other brokers. In fact, I trade extensively in Zebu. Some of our big accounts are with Zebu. So we trade with Zebu. So for me, person like me, what they are going to do, right? We choose rather than going for a desktop terminal, we opt for Nest trading terminal. So for us, what they are going to do, anyway, we are posting whatever P&L. There is an entire playlist of P&L which we have posted in this channel. You can go and check the playlist. You can see all the profit and loss statements. In fact, last 5 or 6 years I have posted all the P&L. And the last 6 months we haven't posted any P&L. That is a different story because we haven't made any significant profits in the last 6 or 7 months, or since this Russia-Ukraine issue happened, right? That's why we didn't post any profit and loss. We didn't make any profit nor we didn't make any loss. We are cost to cost, right? You know why? Because markets are super volatile. It is moving up and down here and there. It is like it's 1 month loss, next month profit. 1 month loss, next month profit. So if we make consistent profit, then we might be able to post our profit and loss. Let's see. November series was good enough. We made good, excellent profit. Maybe we don't know what about December, January. If we start consistently making profit end of the year, we might show our P&L. Otherwise, there is nothing that I shouldn't show my P&L or nothing like that, right? So this is how things are working. If you want, you can go and check verified profit and loss by Sensibull. It is a very useful thing. No more fake P&Ls are going to come out in public, right? Of course, there are different other questions. So who is Sensibull? Or see, I'll ask you one thing. If they are cloning Zerodha website, why is it not possible to clone a Sensibull website, right? That is the simple question I am asking to you all people, right? Anyway, let us see what is happening in the markets. Markets are super highly, it was not volatile. I think banknifty was trying to sustain, bulls were trying to sustain above 43,000 and bears were trying to close below 43,000, and in fact they have closed below 42,000. 42,960 or 50 levels to be precise. So all day bank nifty was moving up and down. It gapped up slightly, then it went all the way to around 43,360, then came down and it closed somewhere around 43,360 levels, right? So all day long bank nifty was moving in a range of around 300 or 400 points, and nifty was moving in the range of around, I think, less than 100 points. Yeah, high was around 18,540, low was around 18,400, just 100 points movement. But what is the problem is, in spite of low wicks, markets are making significant moves. Means there should be, you might feel the heat, or it might be very hard for you to trade. But it is okay. 100 points, 200 points in Nifty, and 300 or 400 points movement in Bank Nifty. If we can't manage this also, then what kind of option sellers we are, right? We have to come along this, right? We have to know how to manage these strategies. So that is the thing which we are concerned about. Otherwise everything is okay, all our strategies are in profit, nothing much. And US markets is also looking bullish. Maybe we will gap up on Monday, maybe 150 points gap up on Monday. Let us see how things pan out. So far so good. In spite of bank nifty moving, I'll tell you, in spite of bank nifty, how our trades are performing. In spite last 2 or 3 trading session, bank nifty is bullish mode, right? Even nifty was not bullish, but bank nifty was bullish. Since if you see from 23rd of November, from around 42,400 all the way it has come to 42,300, 42,400, around 42,500 or 400 levels to around 43,300 levels. More than here 600, there 300, more than 1,000, almost 1,000 points move. In spite of all this, still our trades are in profit only thanks to low India VIX. And when we talk about India VIX, today also India VIX dropped by around 1.1%. And today intraday, if I can remember, India VIX dropped a max of around 3.35%. It went below 12 and all. It went below 13. Sorry, it went below 13. Anyway, at the end of the day, what happened is it is still down by 1.14%. And I'm sure Monday, US markets today, I don't know how US markets are going to span out. Maybe because of after 2 days of holiday, I think today they are opening. Maybe there should be some positive moves up and down here and there. So this is how the markets are. And open interest wise, if you see, it is scattered all over the places. We are looking at bank nifty open interest, where you can see 42,000 can act as a support, and 44,000 can act as a resistance. And when it comes to nifty, I think 18,000, I think around people are writing both calls and puts randomly here and there, because as I told you yesterday, this is the time for option selling, and people are doing strangles across all the strikes from around 19,000 to 18,000. All the strikes they are writing, and they are also doing straddles at around 18,500. That's why you can see both calls and puts equally written in 18,500. PCR is almost 1. So we'll see how things pan out. And when it comes to FII data, today FIIs have bought for around 369 crores, and DIIs have sold for around 295 crores. So this is how our markets are looking. Everything is fine, need not worry. There are not going to be any big gap ups or gap downs. Of course, markets, unless until there is any bad news, very bad news, then we may see market gap up or gap down. I don't think that is going to happen anytime soon. So this is how the markets are. As usual, do some non-directional strategies, try to make some adjustment. If you feel nifty premiums are very low, you can go for bank nifty premiums, bank nifty option. Of course, bank nifty will be volatile, but you can manage it, right? We recommended some trade to our mentees, and they are in profit in spite of bank nifty moving higher, lower and higher, moving zigzag moves. Kind of zigzag move, I wouldn't say very like what it used to be like 2 or 3 months back. Kind of volatile move, but it is okay, manageable moves. Okay, so that is how markets are. I'll see you in another video tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye.